The Cornell method of note-taking was pioneered by Walter Pock in his book, How to Study in College. It is composed of 3 areas in a notebook page. The biggest part is the area for scribbling general notes, called the note-taking area. This includes keywords and ideas, phrases or ideas repeatedly mentioned, formulas, diagrams, pictures, meaningful facts and many other important information. A narrow column on the left, called the Q column, is reserved for writing main ideas and key questions. These main ideas and key questions are written down right after the session. The area below the page, around 3 cm thick, is called the summary area. This is where you write your summary of the lecture. This method requires a lot of thinking and may not be suitable if the lecture is too fast. It may not be sequential either. It does require active listening and employing higher-level thinking skills. The 5 R's of Cornell note-taking are the following. 1. Record. During the lecture, write as many meaningful notes as you can. 2. Reduce. Right after the lecture, summarize these facts in the Q column on the left of the page and write a summary in the summary area at the lower part of the page. 3. Recite. Say out aloud the summary, main ideas, key questions, and meaningful notes to yourself. 4. Reflect. Take time to internalize the lecture by trying to create connections between ideas including cause and effect, comparing or contrasting, main ideas and details, and other ways to create connections. 5. Review. Review your notes upon arriving home and before your next class starts. The Cornell method of note-taking is a good way of taking notes. It enables you to memorize and revise your notes efficiently. The other 3 types of note-taking are the outlining method, the mapping method, and the box and bullet method.